Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw Snapchat Spotlight earnings to Payout method, full guide. To withdraw your Snapchat Spotlight earnings, first, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device. Next, tap the profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. Once you are in your profile, look for the Spotlight section. Tap on Spotlight to view your earnings. Here, you'll see your current balance and the amount available for withdrawal. To initiate the withdrawal, look for the Withdraw button. Tap on Withdraw to proceed to the payout methods. Now, you may need to link a payout method if you haven't done so already. Select your preferred payout method from the list provided. If you choose to add a new payout method, follow the on-screen instructions to enter your payment details. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues with your withdrawal. After confirming your payout method, return to the withdrawal screen. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw, keeping in mind any minimum withdrawal limits. Review your withdrawal request for accuracy. Finally, submit your request to complete the withdrawal process. You should receive a confirmation indicating that your request has been initiated. Check your email or notifications for updates regarding your payout status. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.